In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simulate a dark mode in Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader. While there's no official full dark mode toggle, you can create a near dark experience with a few simple steps. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, I'll walk you through setting up a dark interface and also show you an optional way to convert the document pages themselves into darker colors. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about setting up a dark interface. On Windows, you'll want to start by opening the App menu, which you'll find in the top left of the window. From there, navigate to View and then Display Theme. Here you'll see an option for dark gray, or perhaps another dark option depending on the version. Select your preferred dark theme, and you'll immediately notice that the user interface colors of your application have changed, providing a more comfortable viewing experience in low light conditions. For those of you using a Mac, the process is quite similar. Go to the View menu, look for Display Theme, and then select either dark gray or the dark theme that's available to you. And just like that, your application interface will switch to a darker tone. In case you don't see the display theme option available, double check that you're using a recent version of Adobe Acrobat Reader DC or Acrobat Pro. This feature is part of the updated interface, so keeping your software up to date is crucial for accessing all its functionalities. Now, for those who want to take it a step further, we can modify the document pages to have a dark background, although this step is optional. Begin by opening Preferences. On Windows, this can be accessed by going to Edit, then Preferences. Mac users will find Preferences under the Acrobat menu. Within the Preferences window, navigate to the Accessibility section. Here, you'll want to check the option that says Replace Document Colors. This feature allows you to customize the appearance of the document for enhanced readability. You'll then need to set the page background to black or a very dark gray and switch the document text to white. This reversal of colors is particularly useful if you find it easier on the eyes during prolonged reading sessions. If the option is available, be sure to uncheck the box that says only change the color of black text or line art. This ensures that the entire page is recolored, not just the black elements. After making these adjustments, click OK and reopen your document to see the changes applied. And that's it. You've now set up a near dark mode in Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader for a more comfortable reading experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.